Sylvia's family has two Chihuahua puppies named Paco and Coco. Paco's mass is 0.35 of a kilogram. Coco's mass is 0.53 of a kilogram. Which Chihuahua puppy has a greater mass? Okay, let's circle 0.53 or 0.35 and put Paco on top of that, and then 0.53 and label that Coco. What position are these in? I have tenths and I have hundredths, right? So if they're in hundredths, what would they be in fraction form? Over top of what number? A 10 or 100? Eli?
100.
Yep. Okay, and I'm comparing 0.53 hundredths. So I'll put it over 100. Okay, so I can see as long as the denominators match, I can just look at the numerator. Is 35 smaller or greater than 53? Smaller. Now let's look up here. All I care about the tens, because right, this rod, this 10 rod, is worth more than a singlet, right? Because this is worth 10, this is worth 1. So is 30 greater than 50, or is 50 greater than 30?
50 is greater than 50.
Okay, that's all I need to worry about then. Let's draw it. So I'm going to draw rods, 3 rods and 5 singlets. This has 50 and 3 singlets. So that one definitely has more. Awesome. Okay. Lakshmi wants a weighted blanket to help her sleep better. The blanket needs to weigh less than 7.25 pounds. She finds a weighted blanket that weighs 7.72 pounds. Is the blanket too heavy? Show your work. Explain your answer. So you're going to write both problems. And you're going to compare them and write a greater than or equal or less than sign. Is the blanket too heavy? So you make sure you label it. So she needs 7.25 and she can buy one that is 7.725. All right, so look at it in dollars. How much is this one worth, Christina? Yeah, $7.25. Freya, how much is this one worth in dollars?
$7.72.
Which one's more money? $7.25 or $7.72? Yeah, so that one's bigger. Does it work? Is the blanket too heavy? Yes, too heavy. Let's do it using a number line just for practice. We need to practice modeling it another way. I'm going to draw from 7, and this is going to be 7.5, and this is going to be 8. And I'm going to do 7.25, because you can divide it into quarters and half and a 3/4, right? Those are easy to do. Then we're just going to estimate where it should be. So 7.25 would be here. This is 7.25. And let's make that prettier. 7.25, and another one is 7.72, so that's just under 3/4. So she can only have something that is less than all this space over here. So yeah, it's definitely too large. Let's do it making it in fraction form. 7 whole and 25 over what denominator? What do you think, Caleb? What denominator? What's the denominator right here?
100.
100. Compared to 72 over the same denominator. The whole numbers are the same, so that doesn't help me. The denominators don't count. 72 is greater than 25. Nice job. Let's do 7. Quame writes a decimal number that is greater than 0.39, but less than 0.44. What number could Quayne have written? Show your work. I'm going to draw a number line. You guys draw a number line. Greater than 0.39. So the numbers have to be between 0 and 1. And the halfway point would be what? What's half of 1? Christina, do you know? 0.50. I'm going to do 3/4, which would be 0.75 and 0.25. Okay, let's narrow in now. So anything higher than 50 is too high. So let's do 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So this would be 0.3. I'm going to start writing them on an angle so they all fit better. 0.25, 0.30, 0.35, 0.40, 0.45. Yeah, 50. And then it says I need 39, a number that is greater than 39. So 39 is right here. And 44 is right here. So what numbers do I have in between there? Well, I'm going to blow it up. This is real messy, hard to see. I'm going to do 35. So I'm going to draw 0.35. 0.36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay, so these are all decimals. I'm putting the decimals in there. They're hard to get the little pin thing to show up. It doesn't want to work right there on those for some reason. Okay, so it has to be between 39, so right here, and 44. So it could be any of those numbers. What number did you pick, Chance?
I picked 42.
Okay. It could be, so it could be, what number could they have written? Write a decimal number that is greater than 39. So we could put 0.40, 0.41. What did you say you picked, Chance?
0.42.
0.42, 0.43. But less than that. So it could be any of those numbers. And how would I make these into fractions? Over top of what number? Freya? Or would I put 0.40 over the top of what fraction? 40 hundredths, 41 hundredths, 42 hundredths, 43 hundredths. Those are good answers too, right? Okay. Let's finish with number 8. Which is less, 97 or 79? So you're going to draw 97, a circle, 0.79. Let's put them in fraction form. Caleb, 97 over what number? Okay. 79 over what number? All right, Freya, do I care about the denominators if they match? No, so I'm just looking at these digits. Is 79 greater than 97 or 97? Yeah.